I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by proving you have the rights to change things. Sign in as an administrator and keep user account control prompts enabled. Once done, open File Explorer and navigate directly to the problem folder. Right-click and choose Properties, then Security and Advanced. You do this because many access denied errors are ownership problems. Taking ownership tells Windows which account controls the files. Make sure to check inherited permissions and note any explicit deny entries before moving on. Now you adjust the access control list so the system recognizes your authority. Run an elevated command prompt or PowerShell. For a quick fix, type /c \path/grant your user, f/t to grant full control recursively. You do this because explicit deny entries override allows, so removing or overriding them matters. Alternatively, use the Advanced Security GUI to remove deny entries and reassign permissions. Make sure to test access after each change, so you can revert the last step if it breaks other accounts. Finish by confirming changes persist. Sign out or reboot, then open the item with your account to verify access. If you want to catch lingering issues, enable Audit Object Access so Windows logs failures. This helps you see which SIDs or processes still get denied. If access remains blocked, boot into safe mode to adjust permissions without third-party interference. Or, if needed, use System Restore to roll back recent problematic updates. Quick troubleshooting tip. When blocked, check for third-party security software and temporarily disable it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.